Take charge of your thoughts, or they will take charge of you. Fear is a passing emotion, but regret lingers indefinitely. If you're not experiencing occasional setbacks, you're merely coasting. Surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire you. Choose your company wisely. Persevere in pursuing what you truly desire. While waiting may be challenging, the difficulty of regret is far greater. There will come a time when those who doubted you will boast about encountering you. The sole advocate for your hopes and dreams is yourself, and you are the one responsible for making them a reality. Operating in silence shields you from unnecessary scrutiny. Remember, it's not necessary to win every argument. Sometimes, it's best to agree to disagree. Your future requires your attention. Your past is not essential. If you only navigate through favorable circumstances, you'll never reach your ultimate destination. The greater your curiosity about others, the more captivating they perceive you to be. To become fascinating, exhibit genuine interest. Hatred is a curse that harms the hater more than the hated. It's a toxic influence. Let go of resentment as if it were a harmful substance. Exerting control over others showcases strength, but true power lies in mastering oneself. Practice saying no without the need for elaborate explanations. The more subdued your presence, the better you can comprehend. Responding with silence is the most effective reply to those who disregard your words. Our suffering is often more pronounced in our imagination than in actuality. Words function as keys. When chosen wisely, they can unlock any heart and silence any mouth. Regardless of your actions, judgment will come your way, so embrace the person you aspire to be. Learn from past hurts but hold on to the lessons they impart. Truth-telling eliminates the need to remember intricate details. Strive to be virtuous, but don't invest excessive effort proving it. Embrace the journey of being a novice. Excellence doesn't emerge instantly. Instead of mourning the end, rejoice in the experiences that occurred. When anger strikes, maintain silence. Life presents three options: witnessing events unfold, actively shaping outcomes, or bewilderingly contemplating what transpired. Guard your time selfishly. Not everyone is worthy of it. Keep your plans to yourself. Excessive trust in friends may lead to disappointment. Conceal your actions until they materialize. Transform your wounds into wisdom. Viewing every woman merely as a tool for sex signifies a failure to comprehend their true nature.